All right, number 24 gives us some measure of angles, and they want to know if two triangles are similar. So first, I'm just going to draw me a picture. That kind of helps me see things better. So I'm going to draw a triangle ABE and triangle MPN. So we want to see if they're similar, so you'll match up the corresponding sides. A has to equal M, B has to equal P, and EN if they are similar. So angle ABE is this one right here, is 45 degrees. And angle EAB would be this one, is 63. Angle MNP is 72 degrees. And angle NMP is 63. So remember, our triangle sum theorem tells us that the interior angles of a triangle are 180. So if I take 180 and I subtract 63 and 45, I will get 72. So this angle is 72. And then same thing, if I take 180 and I subtract 63 and 72, I do get 45. So if you notice, all three angles are congruent, and so they are similar. And by that angle-angle similarity postulate, which tells us that if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another, the triangles must be similar. The other ways that could be done, they have here, is side angle side. Side angle side, we don't know anything about the sides, so that's why we can't use that one. And then side-side angle is not possible to prove similarity. So that's can be. So that's the answer to this one.